I call our 3 Vantage Gold Partners this year the Founder, the Guru, and the Connector.
Ann Senn has the Founder's title because she has been with Vantage from the start. She was part of the team that designated the extraordinary, multi-layered model that Vantage still uses today. For the past 8 years, Ann has been helping us organize real-world experiences like diversity panels, project partners, guest instructors, and all-day site visits for our global business students. Ann is passionate about ensuring that Vantage students finish the year understanding that we live in a diverse world, and embracing diversity will lead to a better life. Ann shares her amazing network with us every time we need to make a new connection. She is known for originating the Vantage Real World Project Model, which is the foundation of everything that we do. Ann serves on the Vantage Advisory Board and is an indispensable coach as we lead this innovative and rapidly evolving program. Thank you, Ann, for all that you do.
I think we're really lucky to have a program like this in our high school, and frankly, I've just been amazed to see our students develop and grow. And when we started the program, we didn't know what students were going to be able to do, and I have been just astounded by how much the students can do.
We call David Stillman the Guru because he continually lays tracks for how the world should connect with Gen Z. One of my favorite stories about David is when he almost had to cancel as our Mentor Kickoff keynote speaker because Sir Richard Branson called him to speak at his annual CEO conference in London. David started to help us find his replacement, and then he realized he would be finished in time to keynote the kickoff after all, due to the time difference. For the kickoff, David conducted new research on mentoring Gen Z. His virtual keynote included 3 recommendations for students and their mentors on making mentoring work with the next generation. It would take too long to list all the ways David contributes to Vantage, but to name a few, he sources projects, he's a Vantage mentor, a project sponsor, and guest instructor. David also sits on the Vantage Advisory Board and provides priceless advice on how to build Vantage and make it great.
I get so much out of it. I am learning so much from our amazing staff, the incredible other volunteers, and especially from the students. And so I actually feel like thanking Vantage for how much it's been able to give me.
Chris Woodbury is the connector because he stepped in during a pivotal time of transition with one of our most important partners, Best Buy. Chris took a significant relationship to a whole new level, and we continue to partner with Best Buy annually. The year after Chris stepped in, I visited Best Buy headquarters to watch our 2 teams present their final project recommendations. In the audience were several C-suite executives, including CEO Corey Berry. Chris builds projects that are so valuable and interesting that the Fortune 100 C-suite is coming to these meetings to learn from the Vantage project teams. Chris serves on the Vantage Advisory Board, mentors a Vantage student every year, and has helped us to build connections at the Carlson School of Business at the University of Minnesota.
It's really important for me to give back to the youth in our community and to our public schools, from which my family and I have been privileged to be part of. It's also really important to me to help students and support students in thinking about a business career, passing along any insights I have and perspectives, really to help them find their passions in life.
Thank you, Ann, David, and Chris, for making Vantage a genuinely unique and life-changing experience for our students.